Why does solder paste need to be stored in a refrigerator? Many people think it's simply for freshness, but that's not exactly the reason. Solder paste is essentially a mixture of metal, powder, and flux. At room temperature, the flux is constantly undergoing chemical reactions, and the higher the temperature, the faster these reactions occur. As a result, viscosity increases, activity decreases, and both printability and soldering stability are affected. Refrigerated storage helps slow down chemical reactions and keep the solder paste stable, extending usable time and ensuring consistent soldering from board to board. So storing solder paste in a refrigerator is not about being picky, it's about respecting the process. At Jufeng, much of our daily work focuses on these details. Because in soldering, quality often starts long before the paste is printed.